So today we're carrying out quite a substantial amount of work on this property behind us. We're carrying out some replacement roofline works. We're changing the windows and doors on the property behind us. We've opted for the triple glazing because the customer wanted the very most efficient product that we could offer. Triple glazing is that, so we offer double glazing as an A rated but triple glazing as an A+. So that's just the next tier up there. Argon gas filled units, thermal spacer bars, all these different factors, they all contribute to a much warmer product and therefore saving the customer a fortune on the heating bill.